Hello. Today we are presenting our case study for network and data communication, which focuses on network layer and wireless technologies. Our group members, Dina, which is me, Siva, and also Rohan, will be presenting. The objective of this case study is to set up a network topology, configure both wired and wireless network, and test communication between them all connected devices. This allows us to understand how real network systems operate in practical environment. For this project, we used Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate the network. The topology consists of one wireless router, one switch, two personal computers, which are PCA, PCB, and one laptop. The devices were connected using copper straight through cables. PCN and PCB were connected to the switch, while the switch was connected to the wireless router through the Ethernet port. This setup forms the backbone of the network. The laptop was not connected using a cable because it is configured as a wireless device. Instead, it connects to the network through the wireless router. This topology is designed to allow communication between both wired and wireless devices within the same network. It also demonstrates how a switch and router work together to manage traffic and connectivity. I will now pass to Siva to explain the wired network configuration. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Sunesh Sundram and my matrix number is 34DIT25F1051 and from class DIT 2B. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the wired network. For the wired network configuration, we focused on assigning static IP addresses to both PC to ensure proper communication within the network. PC are configured with the IP address 192.168.1.3, while PCB was configured with same as 192.168.1 but point 4. Both devices use the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, which define the network range, and the default gateway was set to 192.168.1.1, which is the IP addresses of the wireless router. This configuration ensures that both PC are in the same network and communicate with each other as well as with the other device. After configuring the IP address, we performing a connectivity test using the ping command. From PCA, we ping PCB to verify communication between the two devices. The result showed success reply, which means that the packets were transmitted and received correctly without any losses. This confirmed that the wired network is properly configured and functioning as expected. In addition, this steps is important because it verifies that the physical connection and IP configuration are correct before moving on the wireless network. I will now pass to Ruhan to explain the wireless network configuration. Thank you. Okay, my name is Sunesh Sundram and my matrix number is 34DIT25F1051 and from class.
Hi, my name is Ruhan, son of Dagarajan, and my matrix number is 34DIT 25F1002. And today I'm going to talk about wireless network. For the wireless network configuration, we use the wireless router interface to set up the network settings. First, we enable the DHCP server, which allows the router to automatically assign IP address to wireless device. The starting IP address was set to 192.168.1.100, and the maximum number of users was set to 50. These ensure the multi-devices can connect to the network without needing manual IP configuration. Next, we configure the SSID, which is the network name. The SSID was set to JTMK so that the user can easily identify and connect to the correct network. For security purpose, we configure web encryption to set a key to protect the network from unauthorized access. For the laptop configuration, we install a wireless adapter and connect it to the JTMK network using the correct web keys. After connecting, the laptop was set to obtain an IP address automatically using DHCP. The laptop successfully received an IP address within the network range. To verify the connection, we perform ping tests from both PC A and B to the laptop. The result was successfully confirming that the wireless network is probably integrated with the wired network. This shows that all devices, both wired and wireless, are able to communicate with the same network.
In conclusion, we successfully set up the network topology and configured both wired and wireless networks. All devices were able to communicate with each other, including the laptop connectivity wirelessly. This shows that our network configuration was successful and meets the requirement of the case study. Thank you.